Under this roof, 𝗖𝗍 gathered a remarkable generation of doctors, researchers, educators, and health leaders forged in promise, discipline, and unyielding resilience. You are stepping into a world where healthcare grapples with unprecedented trials, yet brims with boundless opportunities for innovation, discovery, and selfless service. As graduates of JSMU, you are primed to spearhead this transformation. This convocation also heralds a pivotal milestone for your university. Jinnah Sindh Medical University is cementing its stature as a beacon of advanced learning and research. The recent launch of 10 programs in anatomy, biochemistry, pharmacology, public health, pharmaceutical sciences, dental health sciences, management sciences, health professions, education, medical education, and allied health sciences boldly signals our ambition and prowess. No less vital is JSMU's embrace of compassionate, community-driven care. I appreciate the new Autism Rehabilitation Center, a vital response to a long overlooked crisis, offering diagnosis, therapy, rehabilitation, and family support. It fuses clinical expertise with research and training. This initiative honors neurodiversity, championing dignity, accessibility, and early action. The university's infrastructure is expanding purposefully. Backed by the Government of Sindh, Jinnah Sindh Medical University now repurposes underutilized public buildings into cutting-edge teaching spaces, laboratories, research hubs, and clinical training sites. These upgrades bolster undergraduate and postgraduate programs, amplify research output, and elevate care in affiliated hospitals. From its roots as Sindh Medical College to a thriving university with 10 institutes, JSMU's odyssey reflects grit, foresight, and public faith. As the Honorable Vice Chancellor mentioned, Prime Minister 𝗕𝗵𝗄𝗁 Bhutto laid the foundation of the then Sindh Medical College in 1973, and President Asif Ali Zardari gave it the status of a university during his first term. I would like to mention here a few facts about the affiliated hospitals of Jinnah Sindh Medical University, where the Government of Sindh, since the time Sindh Medical College was always owned by the Government of Sindh, but the affiliated hospitals JPMC, NICH, and NICVD were transferred to the Government of Sindh in 2012. Since then, the Government of Sindh has increased the number of bed sizes at the JPMC from 1,100 to more than 2,200. And inshallah, by the end of this term, which is another 2.5 years, this would increase to 3,000 beds. We've, along with the Patient Aid Foundation and in public-private partnership, constructed the surgical complex, the medical complex, the neuro and psychiatry complex, and the emergency tower is now being constructed, and inshallah before the end of this term, a $35 million emergency tower will be finished, completed at the JPMC. In addition, we've invested heavily, along with the private sector, and again in public-private partnership, in the radiology department, and we have at JPMC 3 cyber knives, and we claim and we know that this is the only place in the universe where you can get this expensive treatment absolutely free of cost. And that is why not only do we have patients from all over Pakistan, but even expat Pakistanis who are living abroad have come to JPMC to get this treatment. NICVD was again not in a very good shape in 2012. Since then, we've invested heavily into NICVD, created 10 satellite hospitals under the name of SICVD, which work along with NICVD, and almost 30 chest pain units. And this has provided cardiac care to almost the entire population of Sindh, and we are further expanding so that the areas that are not served yet are also served as soon as possible. Similarly, the National Institute of Child Health has been expanded. Not only here, what we did was we created the Sindh Institute of Child Health and Neonatology, and we've expanded under the same principle as the NICVD, where we have the central hub, and under the SICHN we have hospitals, more hospitals in Karachi, in Kurangi, we have hospitals in Larkana, in Sakkar, and we're going to make further hospitals. So we've tried that the constituent hospitals are available for the students of Jinnah Sindh Medical University so that they can practice their profession and do their clinical rounds there. As Chief Minister, I take pride at our government's steadfast alliance with Jinnah Sindh Medical University. Our backing transcends rhetoric. It delivers real infrastructure, expanded capacity, and true autonomy. We view JSMU not just as a university, but a cornerstone partner in fortifying Sindh's health ecosystem. Dear graduates, I'll turn to you now. Today crowns years of toil, sacrifice, and resolve, but launches a profound duty. Your degrees bear the public's sacred trust. In hospitals, laboratories, classrooms, or villages and towns where you practice, your hands will heal and uplift. I implore you, live the professionalism, live the ethics, empathy, and service that JSMU has etched into your souls. You walk this path supported by your institution's legacy, your mentors' wisdom, and the government that stakes its faith in you. United, let us forge a healthier, fairer, more resilient Sindh. My warmest congratulations to the proud parents and the families of the graduating students today. Kudos to the Vice Chancellor, the faculty and staff for their relentless pursuit of excellence. May Jinnah Sindh Medical University soar even higher, an enduring pride for Sindh and Pakistan. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words of inspiration and motivation for our graduates as they now step into a new, exciting and practical phase of their lives.
Today, we are deeply honored to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, Chairman of Pakistan People's Party, a nationally and internationally recognized leader. His commitment to youth engagement, humanitarian initiatives, and advocacy for marginalized reflects a vision rooted in service, inclusivity, and progress. This university stands as a proud legacy of former Prime Minister of Pakistan, 𝗕𝗵𝗂𝗄𝗏 Bhutto, who laid the foundation of Sindh Medical College in 1973. This vision was further strengthened by Mr. Asif Ali Zardari, the Honorable President of Pakistan, whose leadership facilitated the elevation of the institution to the status of Jinnah Sindh Medical University. This rich legacy of leadership, learning, and service deserves to be celebrated and carried forward. We would now like to respect our Honorable Pro-Vice Chancellor, Professor Nikhat Ali Shah, to say a few words in the honor of our chief guest.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, Nazish, for calling me here. Indeed, it's a matter of pride to welcome 𝗕𝗵𝗃 Pakistan and the son of Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto, the daughter of East, with a bath from Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai's poetry, because I was taught by the Pro-Chancellor कि भिटाई की शायरी को शायरी नहीं कहते, बैत कहते हैं. तो सर, मैं आपके ऑनर में एक बैत कहना चाहती हूँ. माण्हू सब न सोहणा, माण्हू सब न सोहणा, पखी सब न हंज, Not all people are beautiful, not all birds are like swans or hunts ki tarah nahi hote, par keh manu manj, there are few people, par keh manu manj, 𝗕𝗵𝗶𝗿𝗺𝗀𝗃 who are messengers of spring, who are messengers of change, who bring about color and who bring about life and who bring about development for everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, huge round of applause for the pride of Sindh and pride of Pakistan. Thank you.
Thank you very much, madam. It is therefore an honor to invite Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari to address this august gathering.
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Vice Chancellor, respected faculty members, proud parents and families, distinguished guests, and most importantly, the graduating class of Jinnah Sindh Medical University, Assalamu alaikum. Today is not just a ceremony. Today is a milestone, not only in your personal journeys, but in the journey of our nation. Graduates, you are entering the world at a moment of extraordinary challenges, an extraordinary opportunity. You have studied medicine in an era shaped by global pandemics, climate emergencies, mental health crises, and widening inequalities in healthcare. Yet you have endured, you have persevered, and today you stand before us not merely as degree holders, but as healers, scientists, caregivers, and guardians of human dignity. Jinnah Sindh Medical University carries a powerful name, Jinnah, a name synonymous with vision, discipline, and service. Quaid-e-Azam believed that education and health were the foundations of a strong Pakistan. He understood that a nation cannot rise if its people are unwell, unheard, or unseen. You are now inheritors of that responsibility. Medicine is not just about pharmacology or diagnostics. Medicine is about humanity. It is about the mother who walks miles to reach a clinic. It is about the child whose illness is compounded by poverty. It is about the elderly patient who needs not just treatment, but reassurance and respect. Your white coats are not a symbol of privilege. It is a promise to serve without prejudice, a promise to heal without discrimination, a promise to place compassion above convenience. And let me say this clearly. A society that does not respect its doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers cannot call itself civilized. We owe you not only gratitude, but protection, dignity, and the resources to do your work safely and effectively. Sindh has always been a land of knowledge, tolerance, and resilience. From the Indus Valley civilization to modern Karachi, this soil has produced thinkers, healers, and reformers. But Pakistan still faces stark healthcare challenges. Maternal and child mortality, malnutrition, mental health neglect, climate-related diseases, unequal access between urban and rural communities. These challenges will not be solved by slogans alone. They will be solved by you, by your skills, your ethics, and your willingness to serve where you are most needed. Some of you will specialize, some will conduct research, some will serve in public hospitals, some may go abroad to learn and grow. Wherever life takes you, I urge you, never disconnect your success from the service of your people. You are graduating in a time when medicine is being reshaped by technology. Artificial intelligence, telemedicine and data-driven care. But let us remember, technology without ethics is dangerous. Knowledge without empathy is hollow. Pakistan needs doctors who are not only competent but conscious, not only intelligent but ethical, not only ambitious but accountable. The future of healthcare must be patient-centered, inclusive and just. And I assure you, voices like yours must be part of shaping health policy, public health reform and medical education in this country. To the parents and families present here today, this moment belongs to you as well. Your sacrifices, prayers and patience have shaped these graduates. To the faculty and administrators of Jinnah Sindh Medical University, you have not merely taught courses, you have shaped character. The nation salutes your dedication. And graduates, there will be days when the system frustrates you. There will be moments of exhaustion, doubt, and loss. But there will also be moments when a life is saved, when pain is eased, when hope is restored. In those moments, remember why you chose this path. Pakistan needs you, Sindh needs you, humanity needs you. Carry your knowledge with humility, carry your power with responsibility, carry your success with gratitude. As you step forward today, do so with courage, consciousness, and compassion. May you heal not only bodies, but trust. May you strengthen not only systems, but society. And may you always remember that the greatest medicine is the service of humanity. Congratulations to the class of the 7th Convocation of Jinnah Sindh Medical University. Pakistan, Zindabad, aap sabko bahut mubarak ho.
On behalf of the university, I extend
बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी जिन्ना सिंध मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी के 17वें कॉन्वोकेशन से खिताब कर रहे थे।